Hi folks, we'll pick up where we left off on the mobile outhouse trailer and putting a window in here. And then we got to cover over some of the other slab boards, so I end up having the round side of a slab on the face you see on the outside and also on the face you see on the inside, and they just overlap each other. And it's been an effective method of constructing a wall that I find. You can use a little hatchet to trim up the edges so they fit a little tighter together. That's the easiest way. You could use a chainsaw or a jigsaw. The hatchet leaves a nice look too. And there it is, the outside. That's the finished exterior. Now I just have to put a cap over the top to keep the water off of the 2x4 there. I can use scraps to fill in over the doors and the windows. And then I can just trim it off with the chainsaw. And I left a little bit below with the slabs so that it becomes a stop. As you can see, I finished all the boards on the outside, the slabs. Worked on the top up here. Make a little shelf to keep the rain off. Now we're ready for a little work on the sink. I wanted to use a chunk of hollow log to go right across there, and then the hollow part would be the sink. But it's a little too heavy to handle, and I want to be able to adjust the height. So I used a come along. That seems like a good height for washing. I marked it and I can trim it up to fit into place by swinging it out into the doorway and using the chainsaw to trim it off. Usually it takes a few times. You try it, take a little, see how it looks, mark it again, take a little more. Eventually you get the fit you want. And then I can screw through the wall to hold it. And eventually I'll probably put a leg underneath. Now I use the chainsaw to hollow out the rotted part a little bit, so the sink is has more depth to it and more shape to it. I can use a chisel and a crowbar to bust out pieces and then keep cutting in there. This grinder blade is it's kind of a burr tooth thing, and it's really good for getting a nice curved shape. But like with all grinder blades, you have to really make sure that you're holding it right, because you don't want it to jump out of your hand and potentially scratch you up. seat, all one board. There's not quite enough room to make a door that can lift up with hinges, so it's going to be something that I slide out. Put some back supports on the board just to keep it from warping or just snapping. I did glue two pieces together to get that glue. It's just a piece of pine. I took that off of something that was a countertop or something. And it already had some polyurethane on it, so why not? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.